was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of.
Yeah, man, 78 Chevy boy, coming at you with another video, man. Just to show y'all what you're getting with this 2004 Lexus LS430 I have up for giveaway, man. Just left the car wash, just did a simple wash and a simple vac. Showing y'all how clean this car is to be 20 years old, man. And I am, and it hadn't even been detailed yet. I'm gonna get it detailed for the new owner. Get the headlights clean. And we got one rip in the seat over there I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna also get that clean. I'm gonna get that fixed. 2004, 171,000 miles. If you know, you know. What's understood ain't gotta be explained, man. Lexus LS430. This is one of the best cars Lexus ever made, man. They said it themselves. This is the rip right here. I will get that fixed. This whole perforated part will be fixed because I had that done over there on that seat about 3 years ago and the armrest been fixed. Get this fixed and get y'all headlights clean and a detail, man. Ready to ride, nothing to hide. Brand new tires on the car, Falcons. Highway ready, man. I'm gonna get them headlights cleaned up. My boy Joe over at Moro's Auto Body and Sales. He gonna clean my lights up. If y'all need a good auto body, man, looking for a rental car, looking for a car to purchase, make sure you hit up Joe at Moro's Auto Body and Sales, man. Let's get it, man. 78 Chevy boy. All you gotta do is text LS430 to my inbox on Facebook or Instagram, or you can text it to my phone number, 901-501-5543, man. All right. YouTube, what it do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here today. About to go clean y'all Lexus up, man. About to go clean your Lexus up. Win the LS430, man, the one you can win a chance. You can get a chance to win if you pay your $50 to secure your slot. 2004 Lexus LS430. If you know, you know, man. It's one of the best cars Lexus ever made. Only has 171,000 miles, man. If you know, you know. If you don't, you lost in the sauce, man. You lost in the sauce. So tap in, man. Tap in. If you want to get your slot, 501. No, it's 901-501-5543, man. Lock in that spot, because I'm going to give it away on Christmas Day. Don't hesitate. Go ahead before it's too late, man. 78 Chevy boy, we'll be up here in a minute, man. Finna watch y'all call it. All right? YouTube. We out here, man. About to clean y'all car up, man. This Lexus LS430, man. It can be yours for 50 bones. $50, man. So we just out here cleaning it up today and gonna make a couple blocks in it. Yeah, finna dry that joint off now. I think I got some towels in the trunk. Old towels. Yeah, man. Y'all know how my raffles go, man. Y'all know how I do my raffles. Real transparent, very fair. You can see your chances of winning going in the roller, man. That's how I do my raffles. I do it live, Instagram, Facebook. I think I do Instagram, YouTube for sure, and I think I do Facebook as well. Yeah, I have a whole nother device set up, and we do it on Instagram. Yeah, man. Yeah. $50 for a nice little daily, or a nice first car for somebody. Man, you can't beat that, man. Man, you cannot beat that. $50? Can't beat it, man. This car done been so good to us, man, over the years. Like I said, I owned it like 10 years. I think it's 11 now. I think it's 11. But this car done been so good to us, man. Real talk. You know? Put a little slob on the tires. I'm gonna vac it out today too. I'm gonna vac this joint out. Pears done drove this car. Of course, me and Boss Lady. Scooter done drove it. The whole fam, man. Now we're gonna pass it on to one of y'all. It's still gonna be in the family, you know what I'm saying? Still gonna be in the family. You feel me? It's still gonna be in the family, man. One of y'all get it, that means it's still in the family. You feel me? So we'll be back, man. I'm finna go ahead and finish cleaning this joint up. Know it's not a lot of noise in the background. But we'll be back in a minute once I get done. I'm gonna pull it down to the end where it ain't so loud. YouTube. We out here, man. Still in the L dog, man. Just got through cleaning it up. About to pull over here. Oh, new Mexican restaurant over. Crazy Mexican. Okay, you got Happy Mexican down the street, and this Crazy Mexican. That's what's up. Okay. Yeah, man. We finna pull over here, man. Take some good pictures. Some good pictures of the car inside and out. So y'all can really see how clean this thing is, man. So y'all can really see. Trying to see where I want to get it. Maybe right here in the middle. Yeah, maybe right here in the middle. Maybe right here. Facing the sun. All right, we'll be right back. Let me clear this stuff off the seats. All right. Yeah, man. We out here with the Lexus. Just to show y'all, I just did a quick wash. You know what I'm saying? Vac out. Put some put some slob on the tires, man. Just wanted to show y'all what you're getting for $50 for the ones that's gonna take a shot at this Lexus, man. It's a 2004 Lexus LS430. Only has 171,000 miles on it, man. Brand new tires. Brand new tire Falcons. They're not them cheap boys. I'll show y'all on the back, sir. Got some Falcons on there. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, man. They go to Falcon sign. Got Falcons on it all the way around. New tires. If you know, you know. The 2004 through the 2006 is the best Lexus that they ever made, man. That's not coming from me. That's coming from Lexus. Showing y'all how clean this car is. And it ain't even been detailed. I'm going to get the car detailed for the new owner. Going to get it detailed for the new owner. I had this seat fixed. This part here fixed 3 years ago. And the armrest, got that fixed 3 years ago. Clean, man. Clean. Highway ready. No matter where the winner is, they can actually come down and drive this car home. I can stamp that. You can drive this car home because you coming from New York, Jersey, LA. I don't care. Colorado. I don't care where you coming from, man. This car is clean. This car is clean, man. Now right here, this is one of the two things I'm going to get fixed. Right here, this seat here. This seat didn't need to be fixed 3 years ago. But us letting Gizmo get in the car and stuff with them nails, he mixed around and punctured it, so it ended up being ripped. I'm going to get this perforated part fixed. Right here on this bottom seat, perforated part is going to be fixed just like that side. All that'll be taken care of. So don't even worry about that to the new winner. Just being transparent with y'all, man. That's the only thing. That, and I'm going to get the headlights. I'm going to get the headlights clean for y'all. See how it look hazy? I had that done like 2-3 years ago. My boy Joe over at Moro's Auto Body did that. And so now it's time again. I'm talking about it lasts a long time. He clear coats it and everything, man. So once you do that, once I do that, and get that seat fixed, man, y'all ready, man. Fresh oil change coming up. I'm about 400 miles out from an oil change. So as soon as them 400 miles hit, if I be to put the 400 on there, by the time before the giveaway, I'm still going to get the oil change. Fresh oil change. I had you a full tank of gas, man. Hey, you can't beat it for $50. So go ahead and grab y'all slot. Go ahead and grab y'all slot right now, man. Don't wait till it's too late. We're trying to give it away on Christmas Day. Trying to give it away on Christmas Day, man. 78 Chevy boy. Stay humble. Stay prayed up. Stay out the way, man. Connect and never compete. Somebody gonna win that nice car for $50, man. I'm out.
My seven, I'm keeping in my